Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Town Hall 11 series. And before going to actual base, we will see how Archer Coin turned to level 44. We had 156k Dark Elixir in Dark Elixir storage. There is a Dark Elixir available, 30k Dark Elixir available in the Season Pass. We don't have Gold Pass. 15, 10 and 5 is kind of a split which is available in the Season Pass, and there we can see a book of heroes which is available. So 30k Dark Elixir came from this Season Pass, and we had two book of heroes, one saved from last clan games, the one which we could see now from Season Pass, and two hammer of heroes which we used to turn Queen to level 42. So now it's time to upgrade Queen to level 43 and use book of heroes on her. Now our queen is level 43. Then I could able to make Dark Elixir storage to 0. I will give you tips how to do that, and then used Rune of Dark Elixir, which is a very efficient way to fill the exact storage to full, which is 200,000 Dark Elixir on Town Hall 11, and then upgrade Queen to level 44 and use the second book of heroes on her, and in just second episode we have Queen to level 44. Max level of Queen on Town Hall 11 is level 50, and we are reaching like a halfway in just second episode, which is a big thing in terms of Town Hall 11. Now welcome on the priority base, and I would like to show a laboratory or a research lab here on the priority base. I upgraded Miner to level 4 and used Book of Fighting on it. Miners were first troop upgrade for us on Town Hall 11, primarily because they are very good for Dark Elixir collection. That's it, and we need Dark Elixir for our heroes on priority. After Miner, I started upgrade for Barbarian to go to level 8, and it will run for next 7 days. Coming to new buildings, we had got these buildings, defensive buildings, new buildings on Town Hall 11, and we will try to get them to the next levels or the levels equivalent to the Town Hall 10 levels as early as possible. So here we can see like Archer Tower is of level 5, Wizard Tower is of level 3, and Eagle Artillery is under construction, and till it is fully constructed we can't say we are like genuine Town Hall 11, and it's still 1 day 7 hours to go for that. Tornado Trap is still level 1. We will focus it, we will keep it on priority. Okay, Tornado Trap, just go back to your place. Coming to a priority wise now, as I said in first episode, our first priorities will be always heroes to upgrade. At this moment we have 105k Dark Elixir, which is not sufficient to upgrade any Dark Elixir based heroes like Queen or King, but definitely we can go ahead and update our Grand Warden to next level, which is level 3. Before that, I would like to have a live attack. Just there is one challenge to go for live attack, is we already have full gold of 9 million, and we almost have full treasury with us, and we are already on the 4x loot bonus boost, so we don't want to waste any loot with that live attack which we are going to do. So let's put some loot already in walls so that we will not waste any. Before upgrading in walls, let's see available builders. We can see Elixir Collector and Gold Mine is getting upgraded in close to 1 hour, but I have used a builder potion already, so they are working 10x faster right now, which means like close to in 6 minutes time another 2 builders will be available with us. So we'll have total 3 builders free, probably the time when we'll be finishing our live attack. So before that, let's go ahead and put some gold in walls, all walls. 6.2 million gold, 6.2 million gold on walls, that on level 9. Okay, these are Town Hall level 9 walls. Take loot from treasury and spend it again on walls. Okay, let's upgrade these 4 walls and let's spend 2 million gold. Sorry, let's spend 2 million elixir on those walls. Now the walls are of level 10, which is the max level of Town Hall 9. Now it's time to go for live attack as we have enough space in our storages. Let's go guys for an attack. This is first base of Town Hall 13. Go for next base. This is Town Hall 11. Oh good. Almost all defenses are maxed here except Archer Towers, which I can see. I think Eagle Artillery also max of level 2 on Town Hall 11 of Town Hall 11. But this base offers good loot. We may not be able to 3-star with the army composition which we see here on the down of the screen. 10 dragons, 8 loons, 9 lightning spells, 2 lightning spells in Clan Castle, and 1 rage spell. So strategy is like take 3 air defenses with 9 lightning spells, and then deploy dragons with loons with stone slammer on the other side, or the side where air defense is still there, or Eagle Artillery is there. So here we are going to attack from top. First deploy 1 dragon on left, on the right, to create a good funnel, and as soon as we'll have a good funnel, we'll deploy all our rest troops. Just one thing about this strategy or this army composition is it is very light on other spells, so it's very difficult to score 3 stars. Probably 2 stars is like more achievable thing, and especially on the max base like this, it's very difficult. Let's see how we perform on this base. Let me put rage spell for that Eagle Artillery. It should go down now. Okay, it's down now. On the left side, all the dragons are like running in group, which is very good. But that inferno is actually burning them up. Dragons, go there on that inferno, dragons. Okay, I just clicked on Grand Warden for its ability, and okay, those air skellies are, oh, that's it. I think that's it, the end, because on the right hand side Queen is taking on that Electro Dragon from Clan Castle, and it was actually of no use. All dragons are left or right, and that's it. I think we'll be able to score just 1 star on this base. And as I said, like with this strategy, 3 star is very difficult because we are like light on spells, especially on that free spell and all. But overall loot was good on this base. 500,000 gold, 484,000 elixir, and almost 5,600 dark elixir. Okay, the loot was good, and now it's time to go for upgrades, because as we see, like all our 3 builders are available. Before that, let me put army for train quickly. Okay, now we see 3 builders are available, and as I said, first priority is to upgrade Grand Warden. 3 million elixir, 1 day upgrade. It's 1 day upgrade, like this builder will be available, so definitely I'll try to have another video tomorrow, which is like episode 3 for our Town Hall 11 series. And now spend some gold on defenses. Primarily I will focus on new defenses like this X-bow. It requires 3 million gold, which should be a 5-day upgrade. Yes, 5-day upgrade to level 2. And the last builder again on a new building, and the next update will be Wizard Tower. To go to level 4, it requires 1.2 million gold, which is a 1-day upgrade. And as it is a 1-day upgrade, even the Grand Warden is 1-day upgrade. By tomorrow we will have 2 builders free, and it will be a good time to make another video, the next episode, episode 3. Just before going for today, I'll show one good replay with this same strategy, where I got like 1 million gold, 1 million elixir, and almost 10,000 dark elixir. Before I start this video, I would like to tell you guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you want to share with your friends, then share with your friends who are really interested in Clash of Clans. And if you want to get updates on any new videos which I'll be posting, which is tomorrow, then hit the bell icon and subscribe for the alerts. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Probably let's meet tomorrow. Goodbye.